Some enjoy renovation work, and some don't. In my last video, we hauled the first loads of garbage from the Akiya house we just bought here in the Japanese countryside. But if you've been with us for a while, you'll know our time is split between this house and the one we're currently living in and renting. Even with another house waiting for us, the work here hasn't stopped. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is Pancake. Somewhere between renovations and the last days of winter, here's an update from our corner of the countryside. Renovating a house is a slow process, especially if you're still living inside it.
Close pin from Showa era.
We've been replacing sections of the wall bit by bit. Every time we open one up, we're never quite sure what's waiting behind it. Wowie! Woo-ah!
Thomas has been driving you nuts for years.
Hello.
Crazy with the vanilla. That is the worst bit of framing I think I've seen yet.
Oh yeah.
Like, look at this part. Right here. And done.
Oh my god.
Where did they even find that? Oh, is that a living spider? Holy Shivas, I think it is. Oh yeah. Sheila. Pocket tissues attached to it. It's like kind of like something that would come from the post office or something.
Renovation rarely feels linear. It's many layers and small corrections that add up over time. But gradually, we're slowly sealing up all the gaps in the house.
So now it's, you know, Mukade proof maybe, I hope.
winter barely touched this corner of Japan. While northern regions saw record-breaking snowfall, it felt as if the season had passed us by entirely. But just when we thought spring might arrive early, winter finally made its visit.
Yeah, he's excited about the snow. I forget how much dogs love snow. But out there, he was doing this weird little belly thing where he's shuffling and like
Well, we'll do another walk later.
biting at the snowflake.
It wasn't a lot of snow, but still enough to satisfy one puppy. Late winter is also when we use the last of the root vegetables before everything shifts to lighter greens. This time, I'm using turnips. I'm making simple sweet pickles with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, along with kombu and a dried red chili for a little extra heat. They're crisp, slightly sweet, slightly salty. It's one more seasonal shift on the plate before spring fully arrives. So that's where we are right now. Somewhere between winter and spring, and between one house and the next. Thank you so much for joining us, and a big thank you to our amazing subscribers and our Patreon community who support these updates from rural Japan. If you'd like to see a voiceover free version and other behind the scenes content, you can find them over on my Patreon. We'll see you next time. Bye!